have little things around laying in your van over here, bouncing all around, making noise, taking them carefully, opening the latch. Done deal, no problem whatsoever. This is why I like it. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm proud to introduce SprinterArmor. SprinterArmor is the 3D printed line of accessories for your Sprinter van that was engineered, built, and made here in the United States in my shop by me and our team of professionals. Our goal is to make the ownership and driving experience of the Sprinter van a little bit more easier and nicer. And our first product is the Sprinter armrest. It's called Comfort Core. It's 3D printed carbon fiber armrest. The base of the armrest, as I said, is made of carbon fiber and it's 3D printed. The top is a Baltic birch, hand wrapped with a premium, nicest quality Italian leather with a soft pad underneath. We also will offer another options like Alcantara and diamond stitched leather. It has a hidden little storage compartment you can easily access and store your little accessories or some small things that are usually laying around in the van. Very easy to install, very durable, been tested. I made a crash test. I just draw Sprinter van over the armrest and it would stand pretty well. That's why we chose the carbon fiber, because it can withstand very harsh environments and different variety of loads. Besides the armrest, I wanted to introduce the second product. It's called the Ignition Lock Protection Shield, and it looks like this. Also 3D printed, also carbon fiber. The blue thing is the gasket. It's a 3D printed rubber. Here's the second part that locks. Consists of two pieces. Here's your ignition module. You lock that thing together, put that ignition module in a case, lock it together, seal the wires together. That's it. Your ignition module 100% secured, 100% waterproof. As you may know, one of the biggest problems with this ignition modules is that water gets in that module, and it's a very expensive, time-consuming process of repairing that thing. And you can be stranded anywhere in the middle of nowhere with a do not shift gears thing. So it's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to put your module in the beautiful engineered protection box rather than the Mercedes solution of that problem, a plastic bag. So this is the Mercedes solution of the problem. Maybe most of you or many of you may have that thing in your van, but let me show you this. You're taking that bag, trying to fit the ignition module. When the wiring connected, it barely covers the module itself. I'll tell you even more. The bag that came with that cover will work better than the cover itself, you know. But it cannot be a permanent 100% secure solution for that little thing, which is very expensive and complicated. Only protection like this can help and save you from being stranded in the middle of nowhere and will protect your Sprinter van. I invite you guys to go to our website, SprinterArmor.com, and order our products today. We have a special promotional discount code. It's 10% code ARMOR for every product we sell. I think that Sprinter armrest and ignition lock protection is a must-have accessory upgrade for every Sprinter owner. can guarantee you guys that all our products will be always made in the United States, and we'll do all our best to provide the best quality of our products and the best customer service. Feel free to reach me out or send me an email if you have any questions. Stay tuned, drive safe, and see you on the road.